Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Salesforce Developer Org. This is your essential first step into the world of Salesforce development, providing a free, fully functional environment. It's perfect for learning, building, and testing custom applications without impacting a production system. We'll walk through the simple sign-up process, ensuring you have your own dedicated space to innovate and explore. Let's get started on setting up your personal Salesforce playground. Next, you'll complete a straightforward registration form. Provide your first name, last name, email address, and company name. It's crucial to choose a unique username, which must be in an email format, though it doesn't need to be a real email address. Select your role, such as developer, and your country. This information helps Salesforce tailor your experience and ensures your new org is properly configured for your needs. After submitting the form, Salesforce will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open this email and click the embedded link to confirm your account. This step is vital for activating your new developer org. Once verified, you'll be prompted to set a strong, secure password. Remember this password, as it will be your key to accessing your development environment for all your future projects. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Salesforce Developer Org. Now, log in using the username and password you just set. Take some time to explore the interface, navigate through setup, and understand the various tools available. This free environment offers full functionality, allowing you to build custom objects, develop Apex code, and create Lightning components. Start experimenting and bring your innovative ideas to life within your very own Salesforce instance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.